Hi guys, Mark Holthe here, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher. Jumping on quick just to let you know about, actually what I want to tell you is Happy Father's Day. I wrote a little bit of a post yesterday, Sunday, and shared a little video, but I wanted to express appreciation to all of you awesome fathers out there. I hope that if you were in the North America region or wherever or whenever Father's Day is in your country, that you are able to celebrate that day with pride. And I, as a father of 4 children, it was a wonderful day for me. My family brought me breakfast in bed, which was pretty cool. And I actually didn't get out of bed until about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So it was very rare. I was super, super grateful. And they brought me breakfast in bed, which was really cool. And my wife also bought me a little reclining chair, a little lawn chair to go out in our backyard so I can just lay down, kick my feet up, and just relax. And that is the one thing that I look forward to more than anything else. So I just wanted to let everybody know that in honor of Father's Day, I am actually launching a little discount, which is, in my mind, pretty significant, which is 50% off the monthly access to my Express Entry complete step-by-step video guide. It's like a course. And those of you who have followed the Express Entry Law private Facebook group for years are very familiar with it, and many, many, many of you have subscribed to it. But this is the first time that I'm offering 50% off my regular monthly access, which is $97, and I'm offering it for $48.50 US. And I'll just put this one up here. And so you can't always see it perfectly well, but I'm also going to click on here. And so all you need to do is go to the Canadian Immigration Institute webpage at www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com. And then when you are subscribing to the course, all you have to do is type in right here, Father 50, and it will, in the monthly access, so this isn't the lifetime access, this is the monthly access, you will get access to the guide for $48.50. And so I'll just take a quick second and I'll show you exactly what I'm getting at here. I'm going to share my screen with you. And so when you type in www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com, and I think, if I'm not mistaken here, this kind of bounces around here. Let me see if I actually have that link without having to retype it out. I've got a whole bunch of different text images. Right there is the winner. Now let's see if I can figure out where it is. There it is. So I'm going to replace this one right here. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Whoops, not that one. I'm going to replace this one right here with this. So this is what you type in, www.canadianimmigrationinstitute.com. This right here, Father50, is the code. But you're going to go to this website here. Once you're here, you're going to click on Enroll in Course. And then at the bottom, often my deals are for the one-time lifetime access. But some of you may only need to just jump in for a month. And then after a month, you have got the information you need and you can jump back out. And so for the monthly subscription, it's regular $97 a month US. So if you click on Enroll right here, it will take you to the enrollment page. And then you click on Add Coupon and just type in the code, which is Father50, and apply it. And you'll get access to it for $48.50. All right, so this, guys, is the deal that I have, and it is available for all of you fine people until the end of this week. So essentially let's see, what day is that? Well, let's pull this up, and I'm going to pull up the big image here so everybody can see what I'm getting at. All of the information is on this page right here. So this is my Father's Day sale. It's valid. At least it'll be closing, and I'm not even sure if I put it on here, on Friday, which is, I think, the 21st. Boy, this is sure disjointed, isn't it? I'm not no professional marketer or anything like that Friday is June the 21st. That is correct. And so if you use coupon code FATHER50, you will be able to get access for $48.50. And then just one last little piece, little reminder, is that when I originally set this up, I set it up so that after the month, if you didn't renew, then it would expire. But people got frustrated because they would have to re-log in, re-enter the credit card, and resubscribe every month. And so because of the feedback I got from people, it's now an automatic renewal until you cancel it. So remember, when you log in, when you use that access code right here, FATHER50, you will be able to get access for $48.50, and that will continue to apply as long as you stay in. If you cancel the subscription and you want to go back in, well, then the deal won't apply anymore. But for 50% off the regular price, which is a pretty smoking deal, you can have access to my complete express entry, step-by-step video guide for a fraction of the cost that you would normally pay. All right, and so that's my little promotion for now. And I did want to just jump back here, and for those of you who are just watching this for the first time, I keep forgetting that a lot of people maybe don't even know what the course is about. Well, the reality is, obviously, there's always a 30-day money-back guarantee, 100% money back if you, for whatever reason, choose to cancel or decide it's not for you. I can tell you the number of people that have canceled and asked for their money back, I can show on one hand, but the reality is those who do subscribe are very, very grateful that they did. This is my heart and soul. I've poured my heart and soul into this. You can see Module 1 is learning the basics. Module 2 is all about preparing for express entry. Some of you may not even know if you qualify or not. Don't go to some agent or some consultant in your home country to get their advice on whether or not you qualify. Don't. They're going to charge you way more, and at the end of the day, all you need to do is pay $48.50, and you'll have access to all of this, including a complete education on how express entry works so that you can make the correct decisions going forward. Because some of you may not qualify, you may not rank high enough. And so for that purpose, it's better to know in advance than to waste all your time and money when there isn't a hope of you being able to immigrate to Canada. So that's why I set this up. Module 3 is all about preparing and completing your profile and submitting it. And then at the end, Lesson 22 is about getting that magical invitation to apply. And then Module 4 is just chock full of other information on completing the electronic application for permanent residence stage. And then in the end, like I've showed in the past, is my one that I'm the most proud of, which is the document checklist and completing that section. So lesson 40 right here, if I'm to go to lesson 40, and remember all of these are video tutorials where I walk you through every aspect of the whole process. So we talk about what it takes to upload the documents, we talk about what's required for each document, and then I probably can't even scroll through this, but there is a ton of actual documents, samples that I have here, everything that you can imagine, even examples of documents from police certificates to you name it, are all up here, accessible for you to see and get an idea of what your documents should look like. And it's probably no point scrolling through all of these, but these are all real live documents, ECAs, medicals, gift deeds, you name it. There's samples that you can build off of, as well as the actual documents themselves. So all of this is built into the course, and at the very end of the course is a section that is really the one I love the most. Well, not quite as much as the document checklist, but it is what I call my member resource section, and it is chock full of individual videos that are specifically geared to your particular scenario and the issues that you struggle with most. There's special ones on work history, self-employment, claiming work history when your company isn't giving you your reference letter, all of those top things. And I've got just a bunch of videos. And when I say a bunch, I've got a bunch here. It's just chock full of them. Anyways, I just wanted to let everybody know about that and give you the opportunity so it comes to an end. June 21st, that's this Friday. And if you have any questions, just send me a message. You can post in the comments below this video. But I hope that this is just another way that I can give back to all of you guys and let you know that I've got your back, and I'm here to help you in whatever way I can. As always, I'm available if you do want to book a consultation. You can easily do that through the link on my firm website, which I often post, and I can even put in the comments a little bit later after this video is uploaded into the recording stream. So anyways, that's about all I know. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, well, we'll call it Father's Day week. From me, Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher. I want to wish you guys all the best. Take care, my friends. Bye.